Hey yo, what up people, this is your boy Sanjay Kicks, and today we are outside to make the on-feet of the Jordan 4 Fire Red. So stay tuned for that video, because that video is next. Follow me on my Instagram at JSanjayKicks, and guys, let's begin this on-feet. That was it. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let some comments down below. Also subscribe to the channel if you're liking the content. Also follow me on my Instagram at JSanjayKicks. And guys, till the next one, goodbye.